So we're going to use some more of the Share What You Love specialty DSP. I do love the DSP. It's a beautiful weight, almost cardstock weight. So great for 3D projects and things like that. Yeah, did you see my card? I'll show you more when I turn the video around because I know that's upside down. But it was a mistake that turned into a card. So every mistake is a creation. I nearly tossed it in the bin and then I thought, no, I'll give this another go. I think I can salvage something out of this. And it turned out okay. Sorry about that. I must have touched the wrong button. All right, I got a delivery yesterday and I thought, oh, goody, this is my Stampin' Up pre-order. Oh, no, it wasn't. All right, sorry. It's been very panicky this morning. I'll just move that down so it's not in the way. So this is my card. Don't think that one's working either. Here's my card. And I've done another one that is going to be, this is a prototype. Yeah, it's sort of like a Z fold card. And I've put different DSP on the front and on the inside. You can write in here or you can put some more stamping, and then on the back there's like a peekaboo image of the flower from the stamp set, which is stamped in memento, and then I've coloured it with rich razzleberry. So it's sort of like a Z fold with a double bit on it. That'll come up on my blog, and that'll also be part of my Share What You Love class, the instructions on how to do that. And there'll be a video that goes with that. So at the moment, don't forget I said I'm giving $5 to the Cancer Council for every Ribbon of Courage bundle, whether it be wood or clear mount, that you buy through my online store. So that's going to go to the Cancer Council of New South Wales. So we're going to get started. And I've got this shopping list that you get from the cheapy shops. And they come with a magnet already on them. And yes, it looks nice on the outside, but we're going to give it a bit of a cover. So this one just sort of says life. And it's got card to there, but it's got the magnet on the back, which is always handy for sticking it on the fridge. So what we're going to do is just put a piece of tear and tape across the top of the magnet. So you just want it at the top of the back of the notebook. And then we're going to get a piece of Pool Party I've got out. So Pool Party it is. Hey, what do you think about the new colours? They're great, aren't they? The colour revamp. What did I say? 9 centimetres. Make it 9.2. So that's going to be 3 5/8 roundabout. 9.2 centimetres. And then we're going to do it. I'll work this out mathematically for you. So we're going to do it 20.5 plus, don't think I can do that on here. So I bring in my ruler and it's going to be 1 centimetre there, and it needs to be 20.5, so that's 21.5 plus another one, so 22.5 centimetres long it needs to be. So we'll come in here, 22.5, and we're going to cut that, and we're going to score it at 1 centimetre and then again at 2 centimetres. And that should give us our little lip that we need to tuck over. All right, so that'll go like that. All right, while I've got my trimmer out, I'll get some Designer Series paper. Now, if this is going to go on the fridge, I might just use this one. This is nice. This one from the Love What You Do. And we're doing it 9 centimetres. I'm going to do it flush. I'm just using the Pool Party as a base. And then this bit's going to be, what did I tell you, 20.5. Yep, 20.5. So measure that up to 20.5. Chop that off, use that for something later. Alright. So on the front, I'm just going to adhere this and just use my liquid glue. Alright, you don't need a lot, they're just fine lines. So, alright, so there's a little border of Pool Party all around. Now bring in my notepad and take off that piece of tear and tape that we put on previously, or the backing for it, and just lie the notepad so that it's straight and sort of fairly centered. Put a firm hand down and tuck that over. Now I usually bring in my bone folder and give that a good press. It's a wee bit long, but it's better to be a bit longer than not. And the same on the front. Give that a nice good press to make sure it's well adhered. Now we might decide to have a sentiment on here. So, oh no, we'll have Love What You Do. That's this one. That'll fit inside the punch. Do you like how I can tell? So I just put the punch down. The image on the front of the punch is the same size as the image you're going to punch out. Put your stamp on it and see if it's going to fit. And it will. So stamp down on my grid paper. Bring in my trusty Stampin' Pierce mat and a bit of Whisper White card. Inked it up with Memento and stamp it. There we go. Because for mums, we always love what they do, don't we? Just having trouble getting. Just going to pop that in there. And don't worry if you stamp crooked, because you can straighten it up in your punch. See how my punch isn't straight? That's because I'm straightening up what I did before. Find another piece. Stamp one of these and punch one of these and pull. And then we'll get my snips, cut this in half, just like that. So I'm just going to put a little narrow bit of liquid glue along there. And you know, these are the things I show you will be good as quick makes. And you know, if your mum's sort of got everything, a gift from the heart is better than nothing. So just stick that on the back like that. And then we'll stick the other one on. And you've given yourself like a pale blue mat around. Yeah, fingers aren't working. Alright, and then stick this one on too, so that you've got about the same around. Now you've got your little mat. And it needs some dimensional, of which I have a few. So I'm going to put one in the middle, because you don't want your sentiment to sag in the middle, so be generous with your dimensionals and don't stinge on them, because it doesn't make your project look good if you've been a bit stingy with your adhesives. So we're going to stick that on the front here. So I might do it here. Alright, now what else would we like on it? In this, have you seen this? This is the embellishment kit, the Share What You Love embellishment kit. And it's got these really cute little embellishments in it that are self-adhesive. So I'll just open this up. Could use a little accents, but no, these are lovely flowers. So let's take the back off that. So they're all self-adhesive. And the backing comes off just like it does on a dimensional. Might put that here and a bit of ribbon, do you think? If you haven't got a bow tying thing, you can use a fork. So I'm going to go around there, through here. Now when I come through, might need a bit longer. All right, now that's the front of my bow. So I need to twist these so that when I tie it, that's the trouble with velvet. You've only got the one side, it's not double-sided, so it's hard to tie it with the tails going the right way. So I've managed to do that in here by twisting the ribbon around as I go, and then I'll just bring in my trusty scissors. I have got some Stampin' Up ribbon from a few years ago. I think that was Strawberry Slush, and it was that elasticated ribbon, really lovely. And it's on there so people know not to use my ribbon scissors. Alright, so cut in here like that, and let's see how that goes. Alright, so some glue dots, and we're nearly finished. And as I said, I'll have some more videos that'll go up this week on some quick makes. They're not only good for Mother's Day, but if you've got a market stall that you run, or a fair, or something like that, these would be quick and easy to make. So I just stuck that on there like that, and there's our notebook. Love what you do, and you can give that to Mum for Mother's Day. Alright, so I think that's about it today. I hope you were able to stay with me. And hi Alison, thanks so much for your donation. I love the Pearl Eyes finish too, Michelle. Yeah, sorry about all my hassles with the technology again today. I think maybe I'll have to move from Tuesdays to another day that doesn't start with T for technology. Anyway, so I hope you like what I've done today, and it's a quick Mother's Day gift. You can buy these notepads in the dollar stores, and I think you'll agree it looks nice, sort of all tizzied up a bit. All right, okay, so thanks so much for watching and putting up with the glitches. I'm glad you like it, Rails. I'll pick somebody out to get some more colour swatches today, and there might be a bit of a surprise in there as well. So don't forget, make sure you sign up for my newsletter. This week I'll have product shares going out. Yeah, it is a lovely gift. Thanks, Maria. And it's quick and easy to do. Doesn't cost a lot of money, but I think it does look nice. It looks like you've put some time and effort into it. So get them from the dollar shops. Kmart have also got some good stuff. I'm going to share with you how to do some tizzy these up a bit. They're giant paper clips, and some bulldog clips too. So they'll come this week. All right, so make sure you're signed up for my newsletter so that you can see what my product shares are going to be, that you can sign up for, and they'll come out early next month. That means you don't have to buy a whole packet of something or whole rolls of something. We all go in a share together, and it helps us all out. All right, so that's it from me today. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye for now.
It'll take creation, imagination. Try to draw outside the line. Let us see inside your mind. You'll find inspiration. All I'm saying